Metart Africa. We are a Web3 platform that provides Web3 crypto services and opportunities for Africans. We stand to bridge the gap by providing a platform that connects Africans to the Web3 space by not just being spectators or consumers, but also builders and creators. Metart Africa contains different sectors that provide a wide range of services. Some of these sectors are Metart Coin. Metart Coin is designed to empower the Metart Africa platform and foster a mutually beneficial relationship between creators, developers, users, and investors. Metart Academy. Metart NFT Marketplace. Metart Certificate Service. Metart Ticket Service. Metart Jobs. And Metart Music Label. Our aim is to provide a Web3 user-friendly platform, helping Africans to navigate and enter the Web3 space with little or no knowledge about crypto or Web3. You can say, we are building a Web3 utopia in Africa for Africans.